Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to see the unboxing of Ayurvedic Daily Hydration Day Cream with broad spectrum natural SPF 25. So here you are going to see the unboxing of Hydration Day Cream. Okay, let's unbox it. I have ordered it on Amazon. It cost around 584 rupees. Okay, let's unbox it. This is the bill. Yeah, and inside this box you can see the actual product. Let's unbox it. Some extra protection is given. Wow, this is the actual product. Looks like very nice. Daily Hydration Day Cream with natural SPF 25. 30 grams is given, made in India. Let's open it. Wow, this is the cream, and you can apply this cream to your face for having daily hydration. If you feel dehydration over this sun heat, you can apply this one on your face and your hand, legs, etc., and you can feel that you have enough hydration. Okay, this is just unboxing. If you need, we can use it in real time, and we can give a real experience about this product. Okay, until then, bye.